are you? Hope you all are fine. In our term 1 book, welcome back to our science class. In our term 1 book, we already completed 3 lessons fully. That is question answers and the lesson briefly. Is it or not? Now we are going to learn about the 4th lesson. All of you open your term 1 book, page number 93. There we have a 4th lesson, that is bird, a flying wonder. Bird, a flying wonder. Have you observed any bird in your surroundings? Have you observed any bird in your surroundings? Yes. All of you have observed a bird, at least one bird. Is it or not? At least a hen. Is it? Yeah. Have you see the difference in between the hen, parrot, pigeon, duck, etc.? No? Is it? Yes. There is some differences. Hen does not fly much more, but a pigeon, crow will fly up to the sky. Is it or not? They have wings. They have flying wings. But the hen also having the wings, but it does not fly very highly. Okay. Now we are going to learn about some topics in this lesson. Okay. See here, let us learn about structure of a bird, types of beaks, feet and claws. How do birds fly? Homes of birds. Once again, structure of a bird, types of beaks, feet and claws. How do birds fly? Homes of birds. Here some pictures has given. See here. Remember, recognize the following birds and name them. First one, pigeon. First one, pigeon. Second, parrot. Third one, duck. Fourth one, eagle. Once again, pigeon, parrot, duck, eagle. Okay children. Now, our first topic is structure of a bird. Structure of a bird. Structure of a bird. Here, it is the structure of a bird. Here, what are the parts of a bird? See here. This is beak. With this beak, the bird eats. This is eye. With the eye, it sees. Head. Here, wings. With all the wings, it have feathers. On the wings, it have feathers. Here, tail. Here, claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. Here, body. The parts of a bird. See here, beak, eye, head, wings, feathers, tail, claws and body. See here, the picture body parts of a bird. Okay. First topic is light body. A bird have a light and boat shaped or streamlined body which is made up of strong framework of bones. These bones are hollow and light in weight. These bones are hollow and light in weight. It helps the bird to fly easily in air. Is it or not? Have you observed the hen and a pigeon when you catch in your hands? Yes, the body of a hen or a pigeon is very lightweight because the body the weightless body helps the bird to fly in air. See here, next topic, Beak in your page number 94. Beak. Different birds have different types of beak according to their food habits. Food habits. For example, the beak of a hen is small. The beak of a duck is flat and long. Flat and long. Is it or not? The beaks of a birds are also different. See here, next topic, wings. Birds have a pair of strong wings. The wings have long feathers attached to them. These wings help the birds to fly. Wings. On the wings we observe the feathers. With the wings the bird will fly very easily. Feathers. Feathers can be of different kinds of colors. Body feathers cover the body of a bird. They give shape to a bird's body. Feathers. Feathers can be of different kinds and colors. Body feathers cover the body of a bird. They give shape to a bird's body. Next, down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird's body warm. They keeps the body warm. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are found on the tail and wings of a bird. They help the bird to fly and balance the body in air. The flight feathers are found on the tail and wings of a bird. They help the bird to fly and balance the body in air. See here, feathers are how many types? 3 types. Body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. Here body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. Body feathers of a bird gives shape. Down feathers makes the bird warm. Flight feathers help to fly. Do you know, children? Birds do not sweat as they don't have sweat glands. Birds do not sweat as they don't have sweat glands. In summer season we got so much of sweat, but birds does not get the sweat because they don't have sweat glands. Next, tail. The tail of a bird helps it in changing direction while flying, like rudder of a boat. Tail. The tail helps the body to change the direction. While flying. For example, like a rudder of a boat or steering of a car. Okay. Next, feet. These help the birds to walk on land. The feet of different birds have claws. The feet of different birds have claws. Claws help the bird hold on to the tree branches and hunt their food. The feet. These help the birds to walk on land. How the hen walks on the land? With the feet. The feet of different birds have claws. With the claws, the bird hold on to the tree branches and hunt their food. How the parrot sit on the tree branches? With the help of claws, and it catches food in between the branch and these claws and eat it happily. Next, it's time to answer. See here. Identify which part 1, 2, 3, 4 in figure of the bird. First one, helps it to eat. First one, what is that? Beak. B-E-A-K, beak. Second, helps it to fly. Which helps it to fly? See the number. What is this part? Yes, wings. Next, helps to change direction. What is this part? Third one, tail. Next, keeps it warm. What is this part? What is this part? Down feathers. Down feathers. Down feathers. Write down in your book. Okay children, memorize the body parts of a bird and also memorize the which part of a bird helps to which use. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a nice day children.